Now, I'm back again, YouTube. I told you I'm gonna keep making these videos about these dumb people. Now, I don't have no problem with nobody going to no strip club. I don't. I don't have no problem nobody throwing money at strippers. I know. Because that's what you do when you go there. But I do have a problem for people like this sorry dad, because you ain't no father, taking your 19-year-old son who almost at the age to go to a strip club, but also taking your 14-year-old boy in a strip club. I got a problem. That's a problem I have. Let that boy be a boy, a kid. Don't raise him up too fast trying to be a man. Now, this story right here, shout out to Star Market Steve again. I got off his channel. More power to you, brother. But the story right here coming out of Jacksonville, Florida. Jacksonville, Florida. Now, everybody trying to figure out how this little 14-year-old and 19-year-old get in the strip club. Everybody knows the strip club age to get in. The dad knows age to get in. But it seemed like the dad didn't really give a damn because he's too busy trying to go in there himself. And whoever let him in has to know the dad. Because they got to go through security to get in, to get checked to get in. You got to know people to get in. It don't make no sense. It don't make the damn difference. If the dad want to go, that's his business. But the other two boys, they should have never been in no damn strip club, especially no 14-year-old at all. Now, that ain't the disappointing part all the way. The disappointing part is the 14-year-old watches his dad and his brother making it rain, throwing money, making it rain on strippers. He watching. In the video, you can see him like he counting his money or he throwing the money. Or maybe both. The point is, why is you damn strippers in Jacksonville still stripping for a 14-year-old and a 19-year-old? Is you that damn desperate to get money? You gotta be desperate to get money to get dollars and and other type of bills from a 14-year-old that had money in his hand and a 19-year-old that had money in his hand. You gotta be. That just show you really didn't give a damn what the money came from, long as you get it. Now I hate to say about this strip club, whoever it was in the strip club. Now they got all these people involved in it. You see why the kid came up in there, who let him in there. Whoever it is, you're gonna lose your job. And you might end up getting the strip club shut down. Because you know dang old well, 14-year-old and 19-year-old shouldn't have been in there. The dad should be ashamed of himself for letting the bring them to the strip club. Because you wanted to go, you should have got a babysitter. Or was you supposed to be in there? I tell you, people want to do all the bad things in the world and try to make it right. Make it seem like it's supposed to be like that. No. What the killing part is, everything now people do wrong, it seems like it's right. And the people like me sitting here telling you it's wrong, but it never be right. But I don't care what nobody say, what I say. The 14-year-old and the 19-year-old should never been in that strip club. Whoever blitz y'all in should be fired. And I hate to say to the owners, to the club, if you knew something about it, you need to be shut down. Point blank. And Dad, you should know better. You trying to raise your kids up so quick just for them to go to a strip club and see women. Women, you need your tail kicked for shaking your butt in front of these kids. Like I said, you got to be mighty desperate to get money from anywhere, especially for kids. Like, subscribe, share it. You need to share this. And I'm hoping you would like it. YouTube is great. Subscribe to my channel. I need some more subscribers. I need some more views. I'm hoping I can get this special off this video. In the words of my boy Jey Uso, who's gonna win the title tonight, yeet.